Hi, I'm Scarlett Rose of scarlettrose.com, and I offer a wide variety of Zoom lectures. And of course, if you want to add a workshop, I have quite a few of those to choose from. Please download my brochure at scarlettrose.com to see the full list, because I've got quite a bit to offer you. My lectures are more on genealogy or family history for these first two. I have been very fortunate that I have a third great grandmother who was a quilter, but I have also a lecture that just focuses on my grandmother who quilted in the 30s, 40s, and 50s. Quirky quilt making. This lecture is about all the upcycling, recycling, and repurposing that's going on right now. The people who are using household linens, draperies, used clothing, any type of fiber, fabric, you name it, to make some of the most stunning quilts you could possibly imagine. My Celtic style designs have evolved over the years since I've been at it for quite a long time, and you'll get to see a wide selection of those as I've grown and changed and experimented with new techniques. Modern Celtic quilting, people are taking bias tape or just the cut strips, appliquing them, piecing them, creating kind of a very modern look to what I still consider to be Celtic knotwork. Celtic quilts around the world, people all over are into the intricate design details. And this is something that as a historian, I've documented all of these years. So I'd love to share a selection with you of some of the amazing quilts that I found. A quilt artist's life, that's me. I make garments, I do foundation paper piecing, I make scrap quilts. I'm a spoonflower designer. That's one of my panel prints you see there with the trees. I'm a quilt judge as well as a quilt competitor. If you've never competed before, or if you've always been curious about what competition involves, I can kind of lift the curtain on some of the mystery of that and explain some of the ins and outs of judging if you decide you'd like to get into that. Friendship quilts. I've belonged to groups for many years and have some stunning looking quilts that you'll love to give you some ideas about what you can do with friendship circles. Round robins. You can do the traditional medallion style, the row robins, random robins, and renegade robins. Here's all of my contact information, srosequilter@gmail.com, Scarlett Rose Designer on Instagram. I have an Etsy shop with all of my patterns available, my main website, and my Facebook page. Thank you for watching my video today. I'm Scarlett at scarlettrose.com.